somewhere deep in the jungles of South America, legend speaks of a city so rich in gold that its ruler would cover himself in gold dust every morning and bathe in a sacred lake each night. This was El Dorado, the Golden One, a story that consumed the imaginations of explorers, conquistadors, and treasure hunters for centuries and drove men to the edge of madness in pursuit of its promise. The legend was born from a real ritual. The Muisca people of present-day Colombia performed a sacred ceremony at Lake Guatavita, high in the Andes Mountains, in which a newly crowned chief was coated in gold dust and rode to the center of the lake, where he and his attendants threw offerings of gold and emeralds into the water as tribute to their gods. Spanish conquistadors who witnessed and heard accounts of this ceremony transformed it into something far grander, a myth of an entire city built from gold, waiting to be found and claimed. From the 1500s through the 1800s, dozens of expeditions plunged into the Amazon basin and across the South American continent searching for El Dorado. Sir Walter Raleigh made 2 voyages to Guyana in pursuit of it. Thousands of men died in the jungle, lost to disease, starvation, and conflict, and never finding what they were looking for. Lake Guatavita was drained multiple times by treasure hunters. Gold artifacts were found, real ones, but no city of gold was ever discovered. Today, most historians agree that El Dorado as a physical city never existed, yet recent archaeological discoveries deep in the Amazon have revealed traces of sophisticated lost civilizations that have reignited the debate. El Dorado may not be exactly what the legends described, but the truth hiding beneath those jungle floors may be even more extraordinary than the myth itself.